Welcome to this video, where you will see beautiful people, beautiful places, and more. Enjoy it. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It feels so good to be here with you again, and I can't wait to share all the exciting things I've been up to and, of course, take you on another amazing journey. First off, I want to apologize for being a little MIA lately. Life has been a whirlwind, and I've been juggling a lot behind the scenes. One of the biggest reasons for my short hiatus? I've been learning some incredible new skills. I'm diving into the world of 180-degree 3D video production for virtual reality headsets. Imagine being able to step into a destination and feel like you're actually there. It's a game changer, and I'm so excited to bring this immersive experience to you all very soon. But enough about that for now, let's talk about where we've been and where we're going. Last year was absolutely amazing. From exploring the stunning beaches of Thailand, dancing to samba rhythms in Brazil, walking through the vibrant streets of Spain, to soaking up the rich culture of Turkey, every moment was unforgettable. And guess what? 2025 is shaping up to be even better. I'll be revisiting some of those favorite spots, like Brazil and Thailand, and adding new dreamy beach destinations in Spain and France to the list. I'm so thrilled to have you join me on all these adventures. Speaking of incredible destinations, today we're diving deep into the magic of Rio de Janeiro. Known as the Marvelous City, Rio is a place that lives up to its name in every way. From its stunning natural beauty to its vibrant culture, rich history, and, of course, its iconic beaches, this city has so much to offer. Let's start by setting the scene. Rio de Janeiro is Brazil's second-largest city and one of the most famous destinations in the world. Its name means January River, a poetic nod to its discovery by Portuguese explorers in the 16th century. Over time, it's become a cultural and tourist hub, earning its nickname as Cidade Maravilhosa or Marvelous City. But Rio isn't just about stunning landscapes. It's a city with a fascinating history. Did you know that in 1808, the Portuguese royal family moved here, making it the first European crown established outside of Europe? This royal legacy left its mark, with the creation of educational centers, art academies, and the iconic National Library, home to the largest collection of volumes in Latin America. Now let's talk nature, because Rio is all about jaw-dropping natural beauty. From the famous Sugar Loaf Mountain to the granite monolith Pedra de Gavia, which looks like a human face carved into the rocks, the city's landscapes are nothing short of spectacular. And who could forget Tijuca National Park? This massive rainforest right in the middle of the city has been declared a biosphere reserve and offers endless opportunities to explore. Then, of course, there are the beaches. Oh, the beaches! Rio's coastline is divided by postos, or lifeguard posts, and each one has its unique vibe. Whether it's the iconic Copacabana with its lively energy, the chic and glamorous Ipanema, or the quieter, family-friendly Leblon, there's a spot for everyone. And while we're soaking up the sun, let's not forget the food. Rio's beach culture isn't complete without indulging in some local treats. Cool off with fresh coconut water or in a acai bowl topped with granola and bananas. Try the famous caipirinha or munch on grilled cheese skewers and flatbreads. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. For the adventurers among us, Rio has endless activities to offer. Jeep tours through Tijuca Park, helicopter rides over the city, and even amphibious tours that take you from land to water. And if you're into nightlife, Rio's got you covered. The bars here are full of life, serving up refreshing drinks and local favorites like caipirinhas and tropical fruit cocktails. As we walk through Rio together, I'll show you everything from bustling neighborhoods to hidden gems. We'll explore the lively streets, watch locals play football on the beach, and even take a moment to appreciate the quieter, less crowded spots where you can truly relax. This city is a perfect mix of adventure and tranquility, and I'm here to make sure you see it all. And if you're planning your own trip to Rio, don't worry, I've got plenty of tips for you. From staying safe on the beaches to finding the best places to eat, I'll share everything you need to know to make your visit unforgettable. So grab your sunscreen, your sense of adventure, and let's dive into the marvelous city together. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to book your ticket to Rio de Janeiro. Wow, what an adventure! I hope you loved exploring Rio de Janeiro with me as much as I loved sharing it with you. From the vibrant beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema to the lush greenery of Tijuca Park, this city is truly one of a kind. As always, thank you so much for watching and for being part of this amazing journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep creating content for you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an adventure. There's so much more to come. In the next videos, we'll be exploring even more breathtaking destinations, sharing travel tips, and diving into unique experiences around the world. You won't want to miss it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this video was, or if there's a specific place you want me to explore next. Your feedback means the world to me, and I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep living your best life. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video and walking with me in this adventure. Don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.